In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels audio and then how to use it. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then open up some reel, and let's say I really like that reel, I really like that audio on the background, and now I want to save it to use this audio in my future reels. All I have to do in that case is right here hit at that icon, and now here first I can hit right here at use audio to start creating a reel with that audio. Here you can see the same audio icon, or I can right there at that page hit on save audio to save it to my audio bookmarks to use it in my future videos. And now let me show you how you can easily find that audio. So hit right here at plus sign, then select a reel, and now in order to add saved audio to that reel, all you have to do is right here hit add audio icon and then here tap on saved. There you can find all your saved audios, and you can just hit right there to add this audio row to your reel. Now you can drag this audio row left or right to select the exact part of this audio that you want to use at your reel, and now you can hit on done and continue creating your reel as you normally do, and then you can share this reel with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.